What's going on, guys? I'm doing a fun little science project, so I figured, I'll film it and share the experience with you. If you don't know, I have a meth injection kit on the Drift Mustang. To buy that from Snow Performance, about $20 plus shipping. So by the time, you get it, it might be like $25, $30. So I saw some people on YouTube. What they do is they get the AutoZone, the negative 20 degrees windshield wiper fluid. I guess it's got a decent amount of methanol in it. I believe some of them can have anywhere from like 25 to 40. I think the negative 20 is like in the 30s, 40s. What they also did is they added this, something called heat. You can get it at AutoZone and maybe some auto parts stores. Both of these were, I got two of these, and the gallon of windshield wiper fluid was about maybe like $9 something, almost $10. The only thing though is the video that I did watch, guy did the math, and for the 1 gallon of windshield wiper fluid, he used 6 of the heat things. I don't know what this even is. It's a gas line antifreeze and water remover. I don't know. I have no idea. I just bought it because I saw it in the video. So I used 6 of these for 1 gallon of the windshield wiper fluid. I don't have anything bigger than a gallon that I can do that mix in. So what I'm gonna do is the caddy is actually low on windshield wiper fluid, so I'm gonna hit 2 birds with 1 stone. I'm gonna drain half of it. So I'm gonna take half a gallon, put it in the caddy, and then I'm gonna do 2. If I were to do the same ratio as him, it would have been 3 for half a gallon. It's a little bit hotter day today, so I don't think it's gonna have any issue evaporating, because most of that is gonna be, whatever is not methanol is gonna be water. So what you're trying to do with this is bring that methanol ratio up. Usually you want to be 50-50. I think the ones you can buy are like 49 part methanol to 51 part water, or in other additives or whatever, since it's a little bit hotter day. And another thing is I want to keep it on the safe side, because if you go above 50% or 50 parts, it's not a percentage, it's just a ratio. So if you go more than 50 part methanol to water ratio, you start running into issues where the methanol becomes an actual fuel. It can affect your valves and stuff like that. It starts burning up in there. So I only use my methanol injection for cooling purpose. I don't really use it as a octane adder. I use E85 anyways, so we're good there. Just using it to cool the manifold air temps down, so we don't need to be too high in methanol, so the octane level is already high. So we're just gonna evaporate it. It's a 90-degree day, so I don't feel too bad. I'd rather be on the safe side and not go too high in methanol. Yeah, gonna go ahead and take out half of that gallon, put in a caddy. I'm gonna use a water bottle it's gonna be like 3.5 water bottles of half a gallon pretty much. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll mix that mix, and then gonna hit the track later. There's a tested tune, so I wasn't gonna go, but now I'm going. It's just to kind of test it out and show you guys how it goes. It's pretty funny. Obviously the title of this video is going to be, I put windshield wiper fluid in my engine, and pretty much that's what I'm doing. So I think it's hilarious, but I'm not too worried about it. The science is there, and also I've got some plans for the engine stuff anyway, so you guys will find out in a later video. just kind of smells like detergents, which is not really good, but not good to be injecting into the engine, but whatever. One quick thing, gonna wash my hands real quick. Don't inhale this stuff. Wash your hands. It's extremely poisonous. It's got methanol and a bunch of other stuff in it. So if you're gonna try this, just make sure you're not put your face right in front of it. Don't get it in your eyes. Wash your hands and things like that. So I'm gonna wash my hands. Get ready. Go load up the car and go to the track and test it out. All right. Got my go-go juice, my headlights, because I broke them the other day. Drove into 240, so. Alright, let's go load it up and hit the track. Alright, made it out to the track. About to swap out this busted ass headlight. Throw the bumper on and I'll try out the good old windshield wiper fluid. So I got some tires that have a little bit of meat left on them. Gonna try them out, then I've got some more here that I can test out on. So just do a few laps. I'll also put the GoPro on. Alright, got the new headlight on. Like nothing ever happened. This one smoked. So it looks like it's got a black eye, but fill it up with the good old mix. Go from there. Go try out this ghetto meth injection setup. Manifold air temps right now we're at 143, coolant temps are 179. I had the fans off and everything, so I let it warm up. I got maybe like one lap on these tires, so I'm just gonna drive the shit out of them. I'm gonna try a purge real quick, see if it works. I can purge the system here while it's on. Seems to work. swap tires. Going on these 285s on a 9-inch wheel. They've got about like 13 psi in them, so it's gonna be pretty grippy. Gonna feel them out and then give it a rib. So that's gonna be a decent amount of load, decent amount of heat in the engine to really test out that meth injection. So yeah, gonna feel them out. And these are wheels that I broke a while back, so I'm surprised they're still holding air. I mean, the one that's broken has the same amount as the one that's not broken, so the right one is broken, but should be fine. Hopefully it doesn't have any weird vibrations. I'm sure it's bent, so did a couple of runs and it's already down to where it's giving me the low warning. So I didn't fill it up all the way, but that's still going through it pretty quick, so it is what it is, but it's a lot cheaper, so it seems to be working. Got my money's worth out of these tires. They are completely done. Driving on them is like ice skating. Alright, I'm gonna let the car cool off, then load it up, and that's all she wrote for this one. So hope you guys enjoyed it. A little bit change up, a little science project, but I would say it was a success and never got, you know, too hot. Usually without meth it'll be like 180, and it always, you know, even in a 90-degree day stayed, you know, under 160 on a, you know, when I'm on it. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, let me know. If you didn't, let me know why not in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.